So again, we have a switch on menu choice where we have different cases. Now, there are rules about switches, about what kinds of things can go into them, what kinds of things can't. They get kind of complicated, but the important thing to know about them is that an expression goes into the parentheses, and constants that are the same type as the expression go into the cases. For example, I couldn't do this. And honestly, what does that even mean? Case 4.4? I mean, if you guys recall from week 2, 4.4 is a double. A double is not an integer. This code is not allowed because we cannot have a case for a constant that is not the same type as what we are switching on. So we can't have case 4.4, we can't have case blah, and so on and so on. So again, backing up, we have a switch. Switch has an expression. Then we have cases with constants. And you just simply have to take the syntax for granted. There's nothing special or magical about it. It is simply how the case state or switch statement looks based off the specification of the language. There's one more thing to know about switch statements in C#. And that is C# does not support falling through. If I were to remove that break here, we would get an error and say break statement is missing. The only reason I'm saying this is for people who come from other languages where this is actually possible.